Photography courses offer a wide range of learning opportunities. Let us explore what a detailed photography course might cover and the different ways it can be conducted. Understanding camera settings is crucial for capturing great photos. In this course, you'll learn about aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and more. Composition is key to creating visually appealing photographs. Discover the rule of thirds, leading lines, and other composition techniques. Lighting can make or break a photo. Learn how to use natural light, artificial light, and modifiers to achieve the desired lighting effects. Explore different genres of photography, such as landscape, portrait, wildlife, and street photography, to find your passion and develop your unique style. Post-processing is an essential part of modern photography. Learn how to edit and enhance your photos using the software. Photography is not just about technical skills. Develop your creative eye and learn to see the world from a unique perspective. Join Creative Vision today and start a professional, creative photography skill journey. Learn photography with DSLR cameras, mirrorless cameras, and film cameras. Capture moments like never before. Develop your passion for photography and unleash your creativity. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity.